Why am I on my roof bouncing up and down? Well, I'm about to show you the top 5 things that you can do to beat osteoporosis. Okay, so here's 5 very powerful strategies that you can use to help beat osteopenia and osteoporosis. Remember, this is not intended as medical advice and I am not a doctor. So, number 1 is estrogen. Optimizing your levels of estrogen and ensuring they are balanced to progesterone will allow you to gather all the benefits of estrogen and stop osteoporosis at its root cause without all the downsides of estrogen. Getting these balanced and optimized is key. How do you do this? Well, Dutch test and work with a really great experienced practitioner. Number 2, take D3 and K2. D3 helps you absorb the building blocks of your bone matrix from your diet. K2 acts like the architect which directs those building blocks into the bone matrix and away from places that you don't want it, like the arteries around your heart. Point 3, protein. Inescapable. One of the key things you can do in perimenopause and menopause, and you will have heard this consistently in social media, and it's for a very good reason, is to increase your protein. This really helps you drive new bone growth, amongst many other things. Number 4, you probably weren't expecting this, but a rebounder is a really underused piece of kit. And over the last decade, I've seen countless females rehabilitate on a rebounder. It's a really low impact way of stimulating the bone matrix, stimulating stem cell release, and creating micro tears in the bone structure to stimulate new growth. Now, all of that's really good, but how do you ensure that new bone grows back super healthily? Well, you take something called pearl powder, which, as the name suggests, is actually from pearls, ground up freshwater pearls. Why? The structure of these is very, very similar to our own bone matrix. So it's giving you more of these underlying building blocks and allowing you to make new, fresh, healthy bone. If you like this and you want to learn more, please give us a follow, recommend us, or even click on the link below for a more comprehensive overview of this strategy.